Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share receipts with PayPal. I just tap on my Safari browser and log into my PayPal account. And how it's possible to share receipts in PayPal. I just move in my settings and I will just tap on this activity, and here is the all transactions, and PayPal will load. You have to wait for it. So this is my all transactions, and if I want to receive, I will just tap this download it. You will see the top corner, the download icon. Just tap on it, and this is your receipt. So you may just close and zoom it, and it will be downloaded in CVS. So you will have to zoom in to see my audience how to download and share receipt in PayPal. Do you want to download CSV? Just tap on it, CSV. So it will be download on your iPhone. So once it will be not, you will again just tap on a download icon, and it will be, you can refresh the page of your browser. Sometimes it's occur error due to internet connection, and just tap on a download and just tap on it, and this is the receipt to share on PayPal. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.